Hey, this is Blake from Blake's Phone Repair here, and today I will be showing you how to tell if you need a new battery in your iPhone. So, first step is to turn on your iPhone. So, first open up the Settings app. Now scroll down to Battery. And after you've scrolled down to Battery, press on Battery Health. And as you see, the maximum capacity on this iPhone is 80%. If it was any lower, the battery would need to be replaced, and it would say service next to battery health. So if your battery is under 80%, get your battery replaced. I will be linking where I offer in mail-in repairs in the description of this video. And now, if you're new to Blake's Phone Repair, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more phone related content.